Antarctica, a continent of icy mysteries, a land of extremes. With temperatures plummeting to unimaginable lows and winds that can cut through the thickest of clothing, it is a place where only the brave dare to venture. The sheer scale of its ice sheets and the stark beauty of its frozen deserts are both mesmerizing and intimidating. It's a place that has captivated explorers and scientists for centuries. From the early expeditions of the heroic age of Antarctic exploration to the modern-day research stations, humanity has always been drawn to this frozen frontier. The stories of survival, discovery, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge are etched into the very ice itself. Recently, something extraordinary happened there, a discovery that has the potential to change our understanding of this remote continent. News spread quickly through the scientific community, sparking excitement and curiosity, something that left scientists baffled. The data they were seeing didn't match any of their expectations. It was as if the ice itself was trying to tell them a story, one that had been hidden for millennia. An ice block dropped down a deep hole, behaved in a way no one expected. Instead of simply falling, it seemed to interact with the environment in a mysterious manner. The sounds it made, the way it moved, everything was unusual. This wasn't just any ice, it was a piece of ancient history, a time capsule from an era long past. The unique properties of this ice block hinted at conditions and events that scientists had only theorized about. And it wasn't just any hole. This borehole was part of a meticulously planned experiment designed to probe the depths of the ice and uncover its secrets. The location, the depth, everything was chosen with precision. This was a carefully planned experiment, months of preparation, countless hours of work, and the collaboration of experts from around the world had gone into this moment. The goal was to understand what lies beneath Antarctica's thick ice sheet. Scientists wanted to understand what lies beneath Antarctica's thick ice sheet. They drilled deep into the ice, extracting cores that held clues to the planet's climatic history. Each layer of ice was like a page in a book, telling the story of Earth's past. They chose a spot on the West Antarctic ice sheet. This region is particularly intriguing because it is one of the most dynamic and least understood parts of the continent. The ice here is constantly moving, shifting, and changing. This ice sheet is vast and mysterious. It stretches for miles, a seemingly endless expanse of white, but beneath its surface lies a world of secrets waiting to be uncovered. It holds secrets about our planet's past and future. By studying the ice, scientists hope to learn more about how our climate has changed over millennia, and what that means for the future. The answers lie frozen in time, waiting to be discovered. Reaching this remote location was an adventure in itself. Scientists traveled across the ice, they faced harsh winds and freezing temperatures. Their destination? A drilling platform perched above a deep borehole. This borehole pierced through thousands of meters of ice. It reached down into the heart of the West Antarctic ice sheet. The borehole was a marvel of engineering. It was created using a special hot water drill. This drill melted its way through the ice. Slowly, carefully, it created a path to the unknown. The scientists were about to send a messenger into this icy abyss. The ice block they chose was no ordinary cube. It was equipped with sensitive instruments. These instruments would measure the ice's journey. They would record every bump and turn. The scientists lowered the ice block into the borehole. They watched anxiously as it descended into the darkness. The descent was slow and deliberate. The instruments hummed, recording data. The scientists waited, their anticipation growing. They expected the ice block to behave predictably. They expected it to slide down the borehole, reaching the bottom with a thud. But what happened next left them speechless. Instead of a thud, there was an echo, a strange, unexpected echo. The ice block, instead of hitting the bottom, seemed to have encountered something different. It was as if it had bounced off a hidden chamber. The scientists were stunned. They had never encountered anything like it before. This wasn't just an anomaly. It was a revelation. The echo suggested the presence of something unexpected beneath the ice, something that challenged their understanding of the West Antarctic ice sheet. Section 5. Unlocking Antarctica's Secrets. Antarctica, the frozen continent at the southernmost part of our planet, has long been a subject of fascination and mystery. Its vast icy expanse holds secrets that scientists are only beginning to uncover. The journey to unlock these secrets is not just a scientific endeavor, but a quest to understand the very fabric of our planet's climate and future. The scientific world took notice. Researchers from around the globe converged to study the unique and pristine environment of Antarctica. They meticulously analyzed ice cores, which are essentially time capsules, preserving atmospheric conditions from thousands of years ago. These ice samples provide invaluable data revealing past climate patterns and helping predict future changes. This wasn't just about an ice block and an echo, it was about piecing together a complex puzzle. Each layer of ice holds clues about volcanic eruptions, solar activity, and even human impact on the environment. The deeper the scientists drilled, the further back in time they could see, offering a window into Earth's climatic history. It was about understanding our planet's future. The data extracted from these ice cores is crucial for climate models that predict future scenarios. By understanding how the climate has changed in the past, scientists can make more accurate predictions about how it will change in the future and what that means for life on Earth. The West Antarctic ice sheet plays a crucial role in global sea levels. This massive ice sheet, if destabilized, has the potential to raise sea levels by several meters. Such a rise would have catastrophic consequences for coastal communities around the world, displacing millions of people and causing widespread economic and environmental damage. If it were to melt completely, it could raise sea levels significantly. The melting of the West Antarctic ice sheet is a critical concern for scientists and policymakers alike. Understanding the mechanisms that control its stability is essential for predicting future sea level rise and developing strategies to mitigate its impact. The unexpected echo hinted at the complexity of the ice sheet's structure. This echo, detected by radar equipment, suggested that there are hidden layers and features within the ice that could affect its stability. These hidden features might include subglacial lakes, streams, or even volcanic activity, all of which could influence how the ice sheet responds to warming temperatures. It suggested the presence of hidden features that could influence its stability. These features are not just scientific curiosities, they are critical to understanding how the ice sheet will behave in a warming world. By mapping these hidden structures, scientists can better predict how the ice sheet will respond to future climate change. This discovery had profound implications for climate change research. It underscored the importance of detailed, on-the-ground studies in Antarctica. The data collected from these studies is essential for refining climate models and improving our understanding of the complex interactions between ice, ocean, and atmosphere. It highlighted the need for more detailed studies of this remote and vulnerable region. As the effects of climate change become more pronounced, the importance of Antarctic research cannot be overstated. The insights gained from studying this frozen continent will be crucial for developing strategies to protect our planet and ensure a sustainable future for generations to come. Section 6. A land of extremes. Antarctica is a continent of extremes. It's the coldest, windiest, and driest continent on Earth. It's a place of stark beauty. Towering glaciers carve their way through mountains. Vast ice shelves stretch out over the Southern Ocean. The continent is also home to a surprising array of life. Penguins waddle along the icy shores. Seals bask in the sun on ice floes. Whales breach the surface of the frigid waters. These creatures have adapted to survive in one of the harshest environments on our planet. Section 7. Echoes from the past. Beneath its icy surface, Antarctica holds clues to our planet's history. Millions of years ago, Antarctica was a much warmer place. It was covered in forests and inhabited by dinosaurs. Over time, the continent drifted south, temperatures plummeted, and the once lush land transformed into a frozen desert. The ice sheet itself is a time capsule. Trapped within its layers are bubbles of ancient air. These bubbles hold secrets about Earth's atmosphere from long ago. By studying these bubbles, scientists can piece together the history of our planet's climate. Section 8. A continent in peril. Today, Antarctica is facing a new threat: climate change. Rising global temperatures are causing the ice sheet to melt at an alarming rate. This melting ice contributes to rising sea levels, posing a threat to coastal communities worldwide. The unexpected echo from the ice block served as a stark reminder. It reminded us of the complexity and vulnerability of the Antarctic ice sheet. It underscored the urgent need to address climate change and protect this frozen wilderness. Section 9. Guardians of a Frozen World. The scientists who ventured to the bottom of the world are more than just explorers. They are pioneers, braving the harshest conditions on Earth to unlock the secrets held within the ice. Each step they take on this frozen continent is a step towards understanding the past, present, and future of our planet. They are guardians of a frozen world, protectors of invaluable data that can reveal the history of our climate over millennia. Their meticulous work involves drilling deep into the ice to extract core samples which are then analyzed to uncover the atmospheric conditions of ancient Earth. Their work helps us understand the delicate balance of our planet's climate system. By studying the trapped air bubbles in ice cores, scientists can measure past levels of greenhouse gases, providing a timeline of how our climate has changed and offering clues about future trends. It provides crucial insights into the challenges we face in a changing world. The data collected in Antarctica is shared globally, informing climate models and helping policymakers make informed decisions to combat climate change. The mystery of the ice blocks echo is a testament to the power of scientific curiosity. When scientists discovered that certain ice formations could produce unique acoustic signatures, it opened up new avenues of research into the properties of ice and its interactions with the environment. It reminds us that there is still much to discover about our planet. Every new finding in Antarctica adds a piece to the puzzle of Earth's climate history, showing us how interconnected our world truly is. It inspires us to continue exploring, to keep asking questions, and to work together to protect the wonders of our natural world. The dedication of these scientists serves as a beacon of hope, reminding us that through collaboration and perseverance, we can uncover the mysteries of our planet and safeguard its future for generations to come.